Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? And this lesson we are going to study is the last lesson in Unit 8. It's on workbook. Please open your workbook, page number 58, 59. We are going to practice reading and then writing. So please prepare a pen and a workbook so that you can write some answers for questions and short paragraphs. Then at the end, you are going to write a report. For grade 11, the second term, you are supposed to write an argumentative essay. Argumentative essay. An argumentative essay is a type of essay that presents arguments about both sides of an issue. So you are going to mention two sides. They are arguing together about a certain topic. It could be that both sides are presented equally, balanced, or it could be that one side is presented more forcefully than the other. It all depends on the writer. It all depends on you and what side he supports the most. يبقى مقالة جدلية بتذكر رأيين، بتذكر جانبين، ممكن يكون جانبين متساويين أو في جانب يتفوق على الجانب الثاني حسب رأي مين الكاتب أو حسب رأيك أنت مع أي جانب بتؤيد. Okay, argumentative writing. So argumentative means try to convince, to influence the reader. So you have to mention facts, appeal to the minds, not to the heart. So you should depend on the researches. You shouldn't use your senses. So no senses. Here, the senses we used in descriptive writing in the first term. You should give evidence and opposing views. So you should mention the two different points of view. And at the end, you should mention your personal opinion at the conclusion or at last. So you have to mention your point of view. Are you for or with this side or the other side? So when you write a report or an essay, you should follow the instructions by writing an outline. The outline should include these points: the introduction, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and then conclusion. Introduction. See this statement. It is usually a single sentence, one sentence that is a road map for the reader. It tells what to expect from the topic. So you are going to mention the main idea in one sentence. Paragraph 1 should have one topic sentence and then supporting ideas or supporting details. The topic sentence and at last 3 ideas or supporting ideas that support the topic sentence. What about the introduction? As I told you, you should mention hook. It can be a question or a quote or a definition. The thesis statement, it is only one sentence that expresses the main idea of our research, paper, or essay. The thesis statement should be specific. It should cover only what you will discuss in your paper and should be supported with specific evidence. The second paragraph is the same. You should mention topic sentence and then supporting ideas 1, 2, 3. You don't have to write or draw a map like this. You can write just a topic sentence and then supporting details in bullets or in points. You should write phrases, not full meaning of a sentence. Don't write full meaning of a sentence in the outline. The conclusion summarize all the main points. It restate your thesis. It means you should write your idea, but in different words. Add a call to action. It means you can advise, recommend, or give your point of view concerning the topic, what you want the readers to do after reading your essay. Write only one sentence to highlight your opinion and your recommendations, as I told you before, in the conclusion section. Okay? Today, we are going to study workbook. Okay? This is a sample of reviewing TV program. Reviewing a TV program, it means some students have watched one of the TV programs and they are going to give their opinions about this TV program. Do they like it or they don't? and they have to give reason. Okay, read these brief reviews of television programs which the students wrote for a school magazine. So this is or these reviews for TV programs were written for a school magazine by students, and fill in the table. So you are going to read these short paragraphs about what? About these TV programs, and you are going to fill in the table. You are going to fill here in the table name of the program. What is the name of the program? 1, 2, 3. And when is it on? What time and what day? And what is it about? Summarize. Give me a short summary. What is it about? And what do I like it? What do I like about it? It will be exciting, interesting. Why should I watch it? So you have to mention the name of the programs, the time, and the topic, or the what is it about, and what do I like about it. I'll give you 4 minutes to read these short paragraphs about TV programs. Use World, Quates Gardeners, Good Morning. These are the 3 programs students have written about for a school magazine. Please read silently to fill in the table below. So what's the name of the first TV program? Yes, Nashar.
News World.
News World. Very good. Yes, Subhi. What is it, or when is it on? When is it on, Subhi? News World. When is it on?
Uh, it's on 20 minutes every day.
So at 4 o'clock or at 4 p.m.? At 4 p.m.
o'clock.
every day. Okay, at 4 o'clock or at 4 p.m. every day. Okay, what is it about? What is it about, Karim Wael?
أستاذ national international sport.
National and international sports, only about sports?
World news stories.
So news stories, yes. So the main news programs. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, next here, what do I like about it? Yes, Ilari, why should I watch it?
Because the stories they report are very interesting for young people.
Yes, very interesting for young people. Thank you. The second program, what's the name of second program, Omar Lutfi?
Kuwaitis gardeners.
Kuwait's gardeners.
Kuwait's gardeners.
Kuwait's gardeners. Okay. Muhammad Jalal, when is it on?
Yes, teacher. It's on every Saturday evening at 8 o'clock.
Yes, at 8 o'clock every Saturday evening. Good. Ayub, what is it about?
It gives tips about growing and looking after all kinds of plants.
Very good. Abdurrahman Radwan, what do I like about it?
I like the tips on gardening.
Yes, giving tips.
Which
Yes, about gardening. Good. Helping people solve problems concerning gardening. Good. The third program. Yes, Ahmed Samir.
The name, Good Morning.
Good morning. Yes, Ahmed Muhammad Ahmed. When is it on? Good morning. When is it on?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, Ahmed. Yeah. When is it on? Muhammad Arabawi.
It is on once a week at 7 a.m. on Friday.
Yes, at 7 a.m. every Friday morning. Good. Okay, what is it about? Amir Hosni, what is it about?
حاضر أستاذ نعم
Good morning TV program. What is it about?
about CBC program.
No. Yes, Abdurrahman Muhammad Azzat. Abdullah Al-Falaki. Good morning TV program. What is it about? Abdurrahman Zayat.
It's about local and national events in Kuwait.
Yes, very good. Local events and festivals across Kuwait. Good. Now let's check your answer here. So, name of the program, News World. Second program, Kuwait's Gardeners. The third one, Good Morning. When is it on? 4 p.m. every day, 8 p.m. on Saturdays, and 7 p.m. on Fridays. What is it about? World news stories, national and international sports, as your friend said. And the news stories are more interesting than the main news programs, as Hilary said. Kuwait's Gardeners, it is about tips on gardening. It gives tips about growing all kinds of flowers and plants. Good Morning TV program is about local and national events in Kuwait, as Abdurrahman Ziyad mentioned, and it is both entertaining and educational. I will like it because it is both entertaining and educational. So when you write a TV schedule, you should mention the name of the program, the time, give me a summary or some notes about the program. Why should I like it? Okay. Now here, reasons here at the end of the question, you were asked to give what? Here, give reasons for your answers. Give reasons for your answers. Here, the reasons, they are, or the stories are interesting. The first one here, you are going to read news stories, which are very interesting, and information about how to look after gardens. This is about Kuwait's gardeners. and good morning, visiting local events in Kuwait, and local events and national festivals. Okay. Now, you are going to plan your own review of one of your favorite TV programs. You are going to choose, as Omar mentioned before, or your friend Abdurrahman mentioned before, what's your favorite TV program? And then make notes including this information. Here, the first one, please hold a pen and you can write on a piece of paper. Then I'll ask you to read what you have written. The name of the program and when you can watch it. Okay, this is a short note. The name of the program and when you can watch it. The reason you like the program. Give examples of the kinds of things that happen in a typical program. So you can give me talk about some events which take place in this program. Okay, I'll give you 3 minutes or 4 minutes to write notes about your favorite TV program. Please hold your pen and start writing.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Muhammad Jalal.
Yes, teacher. We have to use we have to write about programs in the last page.
The first one here in this, no, you are going to choose a real TV program. What do you watch on TV, Muhammad? So you are not going to talk about News World or Kuwait's Gardeners or Good Morning. You have to talk about your favorite TV program in real life situation here. I remember yesterday your friend Omar told me that his favorite program is called Al-Abaqira or The Genius. It's on Qahra al-Nas, I think, or it's in Egyptian channel. And he talked. Yes, Omar Lutfi?
أستاذ عبد الرحمن رضوان مش أنا.
Abdurrahman Radwan. Okay. Okay, I'm going to read here some samples you have just sent on the channel. Okay, please hold the pen and answer this question. So, what's your favorite TV program and when you can watch it? The reason you like the program, give examples of the kinds of things that happen or take place in this episode or in this program. Okay? Practice writing, please. Let's listen to Omar Lutfi. Yes, Omar.
The name of the program and when can watch it. The name is National Geographic and National Geographic Abu Dhabi, and we can watch it all the day, at 24 hours in the day, and it has many programs, and all of this program is entertainment and educational. That you can get more information about these programs, and the reason of that the reason of these programs that you can that it talking about history and history and اللي هو and the experience of other people in their life.
Very good. Yes, thank you, Omar. Abdurrahman Radwan.
My favorite program is the Genius or Al-Abaqira program. It broadcasts on Al-Qahira والناس on 7 p.m. It offers competitions between many students coming from different places of Egypt. And the good thing that with every right answer, there is some of money goes to improve some schools in Egypt.
Very good.
And it can give you information in an entertainment way.
Excellent. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Muhammad Jalal.
Yes, teacher. The name of the program called This Night, when we can and provide on Bean Sport. We can watch it every day after 9 p.m. The reason that I like this program, that the program provider was an legend player in Egypt, was Muhammad Abu Trika. Examples of the kinds of things that happen. It talked about Premier League and the leagues of sports and they give their predictions about the important matches and Clasico and the top 5 of the league.
Excellent. Thanks, Ustad Muhammad Jalal. Ahmad Yasir.
Yes, teacher. My favorite program is the league. It started at 9 p.m. clock. I watch it with my family in the house. The reason I like the program, it deals with football, especially discuss sports and tackles nervousness in sports. You can understand fantasy in football, and things happen in the program, organizing the Champions League draw.
Very good. Thanks a lot. Ilari.
The program I want to talk about is the is an Egyptian program called العاشرة مساء, or in English 10 p.m. It airs at 10 p.m. as the name implies, and it airs for 2 to 3 hours. I like it because it covers a lot of the latest news. They are honest and transparent. They also talk about a lot of issues that are
Issues that are, or which are, what? Again, Ilari?
I can't make up the words, sorry.
Yes, you said that it talks about issues. Which issues?
Egyptian issues. They discuss also the latest news on the scene. The program hosts an Egyptian and Arab political, literary, and scientific figures.
Very good. Thank you so much. Here, let's see here a sample for these answers. The name of the program, you can say the Sea World. The reason I like it, I like to know more about the sea or sea life. Examples of the kinds of things that happen in a typical program presenting how fish live in the sea world or at the bottom of the sea. Here, what are you going to do now? You are going to write your review in 170 to 200 words. Use some of these words and phrases. يبقى انت عملت summary للتي في program, your favorite TV program. Now you are going to write a short paragraph. Okay, about 200 words. Example, you can use these phrases to help you. X is my favorite TV program. Al-Abaqira is my favorite TV program because the main reason I enjoy the program is that it is on every Saturday, every Sunday morning at 10 o'clock. So you have to find the day and date. And it's about an ordinary family. It's about kaza. In the latest episode, what happens in the latest episode? آخر حلقة شفتها, what happens? So you are going to use all the sentences here should be in the present simple, except the last one should be in the past simple because you are telling a past event, telling us about a past event. Okay, I'll give you 4 minutes to write 4 or 5 sentences about your favorite TV program again. Okay. Go on writing. You can write on a piece of paper, then you can recopy or write it as a copy again or edit after editing it on your work. So practice writing on a piece of paper first. Okay. I'd like to see here some samples your friend have written here. Here, Amr Lutfi. Amr Lutfi has written a TV schedule about what? First channel, National Geographic, Abu Dhabi channel, and second channel is CNN, I think.
Yes, CNN, that's on channel.
On a channel and CNN, good. Okay. And next here, let's see your friend Abdurrahman Muhammad Jamal. He has written about Al-Abaqira and Masrah Masr and BN Sport. Okay, good. Next, Saif. Your friend Saif has written about BN Sport, Abu Dhabi, Channel 2. And every day this is the topic or the name of the program. Was in National Geographic, yeah. Here BBC Arabic. You like watching the news on BBC Arabic. And Karim, well, he has written a paragraph about his favorite program, Rocket Power. Rocket Power or Sports National. On which channel is it, Karim? Karim Wael?
أيوة أستاذ.
On which channel is it? Is it a
Yes, sir.
fictional program or a real program?
عايز سؤال تاني أستاذ مسام.
On which channel? Is it a fictional program or a real program? It means you really watch it on TV.
سبورت channel programs أستاذ.
Yes, it's on sports. Which channel? It's about sports. Okay. Let's see. Ahmed Yasser. Ahmed Yasser talks about his favorite program, the League, the ABC Wide World of Sports and Sports Night. It is broadcast at 7 o'clock on a channel 9. Okay. Thank you. Let's see who's ready to read his paragraph. You should use these phrases and the words that can strengthen your way of writing and improve your writing. So you should use these expressions in this box. Abdullah Sam, why you are late? Abdullah Sam, you never talk in the class? I'd like to show you here a model or a sample of paragraphs about a review about TV program. Here, The Sea World is my favorite TV program. I like watching it very much. I usually watch it every Friday. It's a useful program as it offers and shows useful information about the sea and the different kinds of sea animals. We enjoy watching colorful fish and coral reef. It showed information about sharks and whales. Here, you should use the present simple. It shows information about sharks and whales. We can't see them in reality, but only on TV. Watching this program proves the greatness of our Creator, Allah. We should thank Allah about all these what benefits or these blessings. And the last episode, last week or last Friday, the program presented the useful information about the whale. It showed that the whale is about 18 meters long and it is very big. It eats small fish and sea plants. It's got very sharp and big teeth. Every Friday when I watch this program, I learn more and more about this fantastic world. So he has written here some information about the program, the time, the the events that take place in this program and why he likes it. Another program here. My favorite TV program is Smile Please. I think one of your friends has written about it. Smile Please. It's on TV3 on Thursdays evening after the news. It's a comedy. Hisham Muhammad is the director, and the program is about some actors who play the role and imitate famous people, mainly politicians, acting recent news events. Sometimes an actor can play more than one character. Adil plays the king, the pope. It's really funny, and you can also know the news and laugh at the same time. It's definitely a funny and relaxing program. Okay, who's ready to present one of his favorites, a TV program? Yusuf Hamdi? Yes, speak up. I can hear the noise around you, Yusuf. You can speak. Thank you, Yusuf. Let's see. Muhammad Tamir.
موجود يا أستاذ.
Yes, Muhammad. Go on.
I think about media.
You are going to talk about media in general?
Yeah.
No, this is not what you are supposed to do.
I can talk about sport.
Yeah, Muhammad Tamir, pay attention. You are going outside the box here. You are talking about another topic. Here, you are going to choose one of your favorite TV program, and you have to give us the reason why you like it.
I can
Don't talk about the media. Don't
I
talk
can
about
talk
television in
about
general.
Stade Zamalek because I am a big fan for this club.
So you are talking about Zamalek as a team or as a program?
As a program.
It's a channel.
No, this is a program in the channel.
Yes, go on.
I love this program because I was have fun when I watch it, and I can spend a lot of time and sit and watch it, and I have a big benefit because I know a lot of things about my team.
When
And,
is it on? When is it on? And what day?
in the weekend, I will sit and listen the program, and I have new news about my team, and know what the match that my team will play, and what?
Yes, go on. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Muhammad Tamir. Yes, Munir.
My favorite program is Top Chef, which is a cooking competition in which people from different Arab countries compete. The competition is shown once a year. It is very interesting as it provides us with a lot of information about cooking. Also, it is very exciting. I advise you to watch it.
Thank you so much. Here, who's talking here? Yusuf Hamdi or Munir? Yusuf Hamdi, yes. What do you think? What's your favorite TV program? يوسف. Thank you, Munir. Yes, النشار. عمرو أشرف.
My favorite programs is Cairo Today.
Yes.
Cairo Today program is broadcast at 8 p.m. On NBC.
Yes.
I like to talk to show programs more than sports program. It deals with lots of local news.
Yes. What happens in the last episode? What
Again?
happened in the last episode?
مش
You remember?
فاهم سؤال. ثاني كده؟
What happened in the last episode? Can you give me some information about one of the episodes you have watched?
No, I don't.
Thank you. Here, let's see another example. Now you are going to write a similar TV review about your favorite TV program like this. Who wants to be a millionaire? Who wants to be a millionaire is my favorite or my TV program because it is international and depends on accurate knowledge and academic education. The cooler you are, the more you win and gain money. The music that accompanies the program can make you alert but nervous. It is on Wednesday evening at 10 o'clock. The presenter is as cunning as the fox, George Kordahi, and his facial expressions sometimes annoy and bother the guest. The last episode was really useful because most questions were about history and life matters. I like watching it and advise you all to take part in it. So this is about what? About Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. This is my favorite TV program, presented by George Kordahi. Yes, Muhammad Kamir, what would you like to say? Muhammad Kamir? Thank you. You are supposed to write a report like this. Television is the same as any other modern tool, has both advantages and disadvantages. So this is what an argumentative essay. Write a paragraph of about 14 sentences about its good as well as its bad effects on teens and how we can use TV appropriately and avoid its negative effects. Don't forget to write to make an outline. Here like this, you have to mention introduction, the hooks, his statement, and you can add the purpose of the essay. Body, paragraph 1, you have to mention supporting details or supporting ideas, idea 1, idea 2, or idea 3. And paragraph 2, supporting details 1, 2, 3. You should write phrases, not full meaningful sense. And then the conclusion, don't forget to write or summarize the topic and write your recommendations and advices, piece of advice concerning the topic. Okay? You can translate into English. Translate the following into English. مشاهدة التلفاز لها تأثير اجتماعي كبير على حياة المراهقين. Who can translate it? أيوب بن فريد.
Watching TV has a huge impact on the life of the youth.
What about اجتماعي?
Has a big social impact on the life of youth.
Very good, thank you. So we can say television watching has considerable, instead of saying big or large, considerable. Television watching television has a considerable social impact or effect on the life of teens. هل صحيح مشاهدة البرامج الملائمة لأعمارهم تشجع السلوك الجيد وتنمي عادات جيدة في مستقبلهم؟ Translate into English. طباخ. صبحي.
معك أستاذ. That's right. Watching.
Yes, Abdurrahman. That's right. Watching programs. Which programs? Age appropriate. Age appropriate. That's right. Watching.
Age appropriate. Encourage
Age
good.
appropriate programs. تشجع. Encourages. Yes. السلوك الجيد.
Good behavior and
good behavior.
Good.
وتنمي.
And singles good habits in their future.
Good, thank you. Develop. Yes, thank you. That's right. Age-appropriate TV can encourage good behavior and develop good habits for their future. Let's stop here. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed watching the lesson. Please study hard, practice writing, practice writing.